How are modern air conditioners made? Step inside a world-class factory and watch the complete manufacturing process. Every air conditioner begins with carefully selected industrial materials. Advanced inspections ensure only high-quality components enter production. Precision-machined copper tubes form the heart of the cooling system. Copper tubes and aluminum fins become highly efficient heat exchangers. Every heat exchanger is pressure tested to guarantee reliable cooling performance. Precision engineering transforms individual parts into powerful air conditioning compressors. Every compressor is tested for efficiency, reliability, and long-term performance. High-efficiency fan motors are built to deliver powerful airflow with minimal energy. Automated testing ensures every motor operates smoothly and quietly. Intelligent control boards become the electronic brain of every modern air conditioner. The indoor unit is assembled with precision for efficient airflow and cooling. Protective panels and filters complete the indoor air conditioning system. The outdoor unit combines powerful cooling components into one durable assembly. Precision connections create a completely sealed refrigeration system. Every system receives the exact refrigerant charge for maximum performance. Every air conditioner is tested under real operating conditions before approval. Noise testing ensures powerful cooling with quiet performance. Energy efficiency testing verifies lower power consumption and maximum cooling. A final inspection guarantees safety, quality, and long-term reliability. Fully approved air conditioners are packaged and prepared for delivery worldwide. Smart warehouse automation keeps every finished unit ready for immediate shipment. Efficient logistics deliver air conditioners quickly and accurately. The factory-built system arrives ready for professional installation. Precision installation ensures safe, reliable, and efficient operation. From the factory floor to a comfortable home, the manufacturing journey is complete. The factory also builds powerful commercial cooling systems for large facilities. Industrial testing confirms reliable performance under extreme operating conditions. Intelligent inverter technology delivers greater efficiency and lower energy consumption. Smart controls transform modern air conditioners into connected cooling systems. One factory produces cooling solutions for homes, businesses, and industries worldwide. Finished air conditioners leave the factory to serve customers across the country. Professional installation prepares every system for years of dependable operation. Precision manufacturing creates comfortable spaces for everyday life and business. Industrial cooling systems keep modern factories running efficiently around the clock. As one production cycle ends, another begins without stopping. Every production line is monitored to ensure precision, efficiency, and consistent quality. Advanced automation allows thousands of air conditioners to be built with remarkable accuracy every day. One factory delivers cooling solutions for homes, businesses, and industries around the world. Every department works together to create reliable, energy-efficient air conditioning systems. From raw materials to dependable cooling, this is the complete journey of modern air conditioner manufacturing.